Hi and welcome to the video about how to create queries and how to do calculations on queries. So what I'm going to do, I have in a previous video talked about different types of queries. We will have a look at the instructions that you get on your assignment, or sorry, your exam. So you'll have two queries. You'll have your query A and your query B. Now query A, you are usually just asked to search for something. You could be asked to put something in an alphabetical order, but typically you don't get a calculation in query A. It tends to be quite straightforward, so I'm hoping that you will be able to complete query A. So if we have a look here, this is one that you were supposed to do for your exam. I think some of you successfully managed to do this. So you are asked to search for GCSE Maths or BTEC Information Technology, and you're asked to sort that ascending. So if you go to obviously create query in design, can't say that, and then again just add all your tables. Let's have a look at the clues on the question. So it's got to be a sorted list of students' name who study GCSE Maths and BTEC Information. So hopefully you should have recognised that you need to put the student names on and you need to put the type of subject, okay? And then there needs to be sorted surname first and then first name, and it must show the full name of each student and the subject title only, okay? So you need to make sure you read that carefully. So obviously we need to make sure that we are aware, if we think about what subjects that are available and what they're studying. So if we go to subject title and add that, and then we need the students, it says surname first, let me just double check. Surname then first name, so we put the surname in first and then first name. So obviously there's a criteria here, so we just put GCSE, what was it, Maths, correctly, okay. And then you can put that down here, or you can use the word or to separate them, and it's BTEC Information Technology. Okay. So that then will allow us to search GCSE Maths or Information Technology in that field. You might just want to check the way that it's been written, so as long as obviously it matches that information, your query will work. So let's just check that before we carry on. Okay, that's not worked for Maths. GC, aha, that's why. GC. Have a look now. Okay, so as you can see, that's brought up information of students studying both subjects, and then we've got the surname first, and then we've got the first name as requested in the exam. And then all you need to do to sort them ascending is it will sort the first column which you put in terms of the order of your query. So it's going to sort the student surname, and it's going to sort the student first name. And then let's just double check the question. So it says it must show the full name of each student and the subject title only. So let's just check that that meets the criteria. So we've got the student, all the subjects are studying, surname is in order, and as you can see the first name is now in order. So don't forget please to save that, and then I would make sure you have a uniform way of saving them, something along those lines, and then give it a name that will help you remember what the query is about. So something like student subject sorted. Sounds about right to me. And that's it for query A. I think it's more straightforward. You'll be asked to search something, you may be asked to sort something, but that is about it. And as long as you can do that, that will be fine. If you've got any questions about that, please speak to me in class.